started in 2011, and now it is almost 9 years of our operations. Okay, so here in Dubai, we are approved by Knowledge and Human Development Authority of Dubai. So that is the KHDA. You people must have heard about it. And let me just get my presentation on. Just a minute. Okay, there we have. Can you people see my presentation? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I assume that you are able to see. Okay, so we are a part of Amity Education Group. So we are a very research and innovation focused university, and that is enforced by the fact that we have more than 6,000 books which have been authored by our faculty, and we have 607 patents which have been filed by our faculty, and we have more than 4,500 scientists, academicians, and researchers who are currently working with us globally. Okay, so Amity Education Group is really a very big education group. And we have at any point in time more than 150,000 students at any of our campuses globally. Okay, so we have 11 international overseas campuses. So we have in US, UK, Romania, then we have in China, Singapore, and but Dubai is our flagship international campus. Now, why flagship international campus? Because we have built a very beautiful world-class $100 million campus here in Dubai, which is located in Dubai International Academic City. And so it is we have world-class sporting facilities also here in this campus. So Dubai is our flagship international campus. So here you can see the global campuses where all we are located. We are also there in Amsterdam. We have a school there, and then in South Africa. So these are some of the global campuses of Amity University. Now, whenever we look at any university, the weight of its degree or the sanctity of the degree is enforced by the accreditations that we have. So all our programs are via University Grants Commission of India approved university, which is called the UGC. Okay, UGC is the highest approval authority in India. All our engineering programs are accredited by IET, which is the UK accreditation for BTech programs. IET, if you want, you can note down this name and you can Google it. You can see that what does IET stand for. Apart from this, on an overall basis, the university is accredited by WASC, which is the World Association of Schools and Colleges, which is an American accreditation body. Now, here in Dubai, we offer two programs which are accredited by uniquely accredited. Uniquely accredited means that they are the only of its type to be accredited outside of India. Now, one of these program is architecture. We have a 5-year Bachelor of Architecture program, which is approved by the Council of Architecture, COA, in India. And then we run a law program, Bachelor of Law and Bachelor of Business Administration Law, BA-LLB and BBA-LLB. Both these programs are accredited and approved by Bar Council of India. So these are some of the major accreditations or recognitions that we have for Amity University Dubai. TEDQual is a higher tourism education program by UNWTO. And TEDQual is specially applicable to tourism and hospitality programs. So these are some of the accreditations that Amity University Dubai has. Now, some of the unique advantages that Amity University stands for is the world class and the state of the art laboratories that we have. If you people have visited the university, you must have seen the nature of our laboratories. They are world class. They have all the modern equipment which is required for to make you people understand the different aspects of scientific research and scientific understanding. Then all our programs also have integrated into them internships, which is for 4-year degree programs. After 6 semesters, we have a compulsory internship of 2 months, that is 8 to 10 weeks. And then for all our 3-year programs, after 4 semesters, we have a 6 to 8 week internship mandatory. So internships, they bring you closer to the industry. They also give you an exposure of real life work situations, and they also build a network for you in the industry. Now, apart from this, we have a very good scholarship structure, which I will let you know at the end of my presentation. And we have industry visits and special study tours for students. And then we have a very, very well-equipped digital library and teaching aids that we have. So these are some of the advantages if you study with Amity University. And now, a very important, as I told you about the internships, we have a corporate resource center which organizes all these internships for you. For example, if your dream company is Google, or if your dream company is 3M or Citibank, you have to just work towards it with the corporate resource center, and we will get you an internship in those companies. So the internships, we are settled by the corporate resource center. We have 3-4 managers, and we have faculty coordinators who look at the tie-ups, create industry linkages, so that these internships are made available to our students. Apart from this, we also have an annual event which is called the Annual Placement Week, which happens every year in the month of March. And this Annual Placement Week, last year we had 85 companies which visited the campus and recruited from our students. So these are some of the logos of the companies which are regular recruiters at Amity University. You may find some of the known names which you have seen. Heinz is a brand very well known to all of us. Everyone eats the Heinz ketchup. There are some companies which you may not have heard of, but they are very big in their operations, and they do phenomenal work in their area of work. For example, Danzas, it's a world-class courier company, and Danzas or DHL, it's a very big logistic company. Del Monte juices, we are all having on a daily basis. So Del Monte, also our students, they go and work there. So these are some of the companies, some more logos for you. SAP is a regular recruiter from our university. So you can see there are some insurance companies, there are hospitals, there are banks like Mashreq Bank. So these are all companies which recruit from our students, and they take them to they even take them as interns, and some of them find full-time placements also. Okay, some more logos for you. Total, you must have heard of it. It's a very big oil and gas company. So they also recruit from our students. Okay, now let us go through the schools of discipline that we have in Amity University. Now we have 8 different schools of discipline at Amity University Dubai: Amity School of Engineering and Technology, Amity School of Science, Amity School of Architecture and Interior Design, Amity School of Management, and Amity School of Law, Amity School of Hospitality and Tourism, Amity School of Humanities, Arts and Applied Sciences, Amity School of Foundation. So these are 8 different schools that we have here in Amity University, and each of the schools has their different programs. Now let us go through the Amity School of Engineering Technology. As you can see, we have engineering in civil engineering, computer science engineering, electronics and telecommunications, solar and alternate energy, mechanical engineering, aerospace engineering. We have introduced from this year mechatronics also, which is a combination of mechanical engineering and electronics. Then we have MBA construction project management, which is a master's program, and we have a bachelor of information technology. Now, if you have seen the way the world has changed after the not after the pandemic, but during the pandemic. So it has become, the focus has come back again to technology, and as the world population grows from 7 billion people to 9 billion people, you will see the use of technology will become higher and higher. So computer science engineering, information technology, mechatronics are programs which are futuristic in nature. More and more work will be done by robots. There will be Internet of Things. There will be a lot of data management, so data sciences, then digital marketing, then information technology. All these will be the future connectors in the world. So these are some of the programs that we offer in the engineering domain. BTech Solar and Alternate Energy is a very niche program, 4-year degree program, and it has applications in material sciences, electrical, electronics, and mechanical engineering. So this is some of the details of the BTech Solar and Alternate Energy. Then we have a 4-year degree program in aerospace engineering. Some of the details are here. And these are some of the labs that we have: propulsion lab supporting the aerospace engineering program. Then this is the aerodynamics lab. For those students who have never visited the university, these are good pictures to take a look at. Then we have this vibrations lab, aircraft structures lab. Then BTech Civil Engineering, you can see that some of the domains of BTech Civil Engineering are structural engineering, construction materials, geotechnical engineering. As you must have heard that off the coast of Europe and Russia, they are capturing the tidal energy to produce electrical energy, to produce electricity. So geotechnical engineering is a very, very upcoming field of civil engineering also. So these are some of the details of the civil engineering programs. Then these are some of the labs which support the civil engineering: mechanics of fluids lab, then construction materials lab. Then we have BTech Computer Science Engineering. Computer Science Engineering is very, very classic and most popular area of study, and it will continue to remain so in the coming future also, because technology, we need a lot of computer engineers to make all those data companies, and they need to work in all those IT companies to connect people, to create devices which will help people to connect with others and make their life more simpler. And then this is our computer lab. As you can see, it's a world class, and it has all the best equipment that we can put up for our students. Then electrical and electronics engineering, again a classic engineering, always required for a lot of application in robotics. So these are some of the electronics labs: instrumentation lab, electrical science lab, then communications lab. Then one very niche program that we offer here in Amity University, Dubai, which is nanotechnology. Now, nanotechnology is a subject of the future again, because a lot of work is happening in nanomedicine. How to dispense medicine through nanoparticles, and nanotechnology is a very important program, and students who have the research orientation, who wish to do research and continue to be research scientists, and discover new areas of material sciences, can pick up this nanotechnology. As you must be knowing that graphene, if you people have heard of a substance called graphene is the thinnest material ever manufactured by mankind, and the patent is held by the Manchester University, and graphene has a lot of application for human life, and graphene is an outcome of study in nanotechnology. So you can just look it up, GRAPHENE. So that is graphene. This is the synthesis lab which supports the nanotechnology program. Again, some more labs, physics lab, chemistry lab. Then we have BTech in mechanical engineering, again a 4-year degree program. Some of the labs that support the mechanical engineering are here. Welding shop, then we have this foundry shop, sheet metal shop, engineering mechanics lab, Bachelor of Architecture. I told you in the beginning that it's a 5-year degree program which is accredited by the Council of Architecture. So any students who are creatively inclined and who wish to pursue their creativity can pick up in Bachelor of Architecture. Then we have a 3-year degree program in Bachelor of Information Technology. Now, all those students who do not have scientific subjects in their grade 12th, that means that they are from the commerce or arts stream, but so long as they have mathematics, they can pick up a bachelor's in information technology. So this is bachelor. These are some of the industry partners for our engineering programs. Again, some more of engineering programs. These are some of the professional societies where our students are part. IEEE is a very well-known association for engineering, computer science engineering students. Then we have Amity School of Science, where we offer a very niche program which is called the Forensic Sciences. Now, as you are seeing that because COVID has centralized us and made us more dependent on technology, there is a rise in the financial crime, cyber crime. So forensic sciences is a subject which looks into the forensics, that is the finer aspects of any wrong deed done. So forensic sciences is a very niche area, which in case you people are interested, you can look it up on our website. We have both bachelor's and master's in forensic sciences. Then we have Amity School of Arts, Humanities, and social sciences. Here we offer 4-5 different programs. One more we have added, that is Bachelor of Fine Arts in Animation, Bachelor of Design in Fashion Design, Applied Psychology, Journalism, Mass Communication, Film and Television Production. Then we have Amity School of Management, where we offer bachelor's and master's in management, BBA and MBA. We have a bachelor's in economics, and then we have a BCom honors with ACCA coaching. So ACCA is, again, you people can look up ACCA, and that is the Association of Chartered Accountants from UK. It's a very strong certification for anyone who wants to pursue a career in accountancy. So we have a special class, which is, we offer a training program for preparation for ACCA, so BCom plus ACCA. If you do a BCom with us, we have the highest paper exemptions for ACCA. That means that anyone who wishes to clear ACCA needs to do 16 papers. But if you are a BCom student in Amity University, you will get a paper waiver of nearly 10 papers, because ninth and 10th paper is merged. So 10 papers waiver you will get. You will have to give only the last 6 papers, out of which again there is some merger in 11th and 12th paper. So it becomes really easy for you to clear ACCA if you are a BCom student in Amity University. Okay, Amity School of Hospitality, we have 2 programs, Bachelor of Hotel Management and Bachelor of Arts, Tourism Administration. Then law, we have 2 programs, BALLB and BBLLB. So, okay, law graduates. Then Amity School of Architecture and Interior Design, I've told you about Bachelor of Architecture. Then we have Bachelors and Masters in Interior Design. Then the most important thing about the scholarships at Amity University. Now, merit scholarships, we award and reward excellence in studies. Okay, so if you are from CBSE curriculum or British or American curriculums, and if you score above 93% marks, then you get a 100% scholarship. If you score between 88 to 93%, then you get 50% off. And if you score 80 to 88%, then you get a 25% scholarship. We also have a sibling scholarship. We award and reward sporting excellence, so you can get a sports scholarship. Girl scholarship, every girl child who enters our university gets a minimum of 10% scholarship. No 2 scholarships can be combined. So if you are getting a girl scholarship, then you cannot avail any other scholarship. Then Mean Scholarship for students from needy backgrounds, we have a Mean Scholarship. Then we have Emirati Scholarship and Amity Graduate Awards. If you graduate from any of our programs and take a subsequent program, then you get a 20% discount as Amity Graduate Award. So these are some of the programs that we offer here in Amity University, and I would be happy to take any questions on any of our programs. So please, okay, now I'm already looking at the questions here. Okay. So, if Joanna can please write that how much time do I have to take the questions? Accordingly, I will answer. Yeah. Okay. Let me start.
10 minutes. Kavita, 10 minutes.
10 minutes. Okay. So, let me start here. Ma'am, do you have, Shima Bharat is asking, ma'am, do you have fashion design? Yes, we have a bachelor's in fashion design. You can go to our website, amityuniversity.ae. You can see the details of the fashion design program. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I didn't hear. Can you repeat, please?
What do you want me to repeat, my child?
Ma'am, I asked you about. Ma'am, your voice was cracking. Ma'am, I
Okay.
asked you, in the chat box, ma'am.
The fashion design.
Yes, ma'am. Like, can I
Okay.
study
Okay.
business with fashion designing, both?
No, see, our fashion design program is a 4-year degree program, and it has all the elements of business also. Because see, fashion design is a more of a entrepreneurial program. If you do a 4-year degree program in fashion design, you can open your own business, you can open your boutique, or you can work with a fashion house. So we do teach you the supply chain, how to find the best fabrics, what is accountancy, how to market your products. So it is a combination of creative as well as business side. Okay, did I answer your question, Shima?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in how many years I can get my like master degree?
This is a bachelor's program, my child. So
Okay.
bachelor's
Ma'am,
is
after
for,
bachelor's, master comes, right?
Yeah, after bachelor's master comes, yeah.
Okay, ma'am. So like how many years it will take? 5?
4 years for bachelor's and 2 years for master's.
Okay, ma'am. So 6 years total.
Yeah, 6 years. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
You
Thank you.
actually, you don't need for a master's in fashion. Bachelor's is
Oh,
a very good degree to have.
okay, ma'am.
Now, let
Ma'am,
me
and this
quickly.
university has like after masters, like if I want to continue my studying, like it has like PhD.
We have PhD in management, PhD in engineering, and PhD in forensic sciences.
Oh,
Okay. Now,
thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
group is asking. I will leave my email ID here. So you people can Amity University
Good
dot.
afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, so I've left my email ID on the chat box. So please, kshukla at amityuniversity.ae. So you all can please write to me if I'm unable to answer your questions during this session. You can write back to me and I will answer to every question. Okay, Hashim, I saw this question which is very interesting. Is there any course for cybersecurity? Now, Hashim, it's a very good question because cybersecurity is one of the upcoming areas and it's a very important field of work nowadays. And cybersecurity is more or less a master's subject. Okay, so to be a specialist in cybersecurity, you first have to do either a BSc in information technology or a computer science engineering. Okay, so I hope Hashim, I have answered you. Cybersecurity we are offering as a specialization, and we also offer a PGD program in cybersecurity. So first you have to be a computer engineering engineer to be a cybersecurity specialist. Okay, now Roshni has asked, ma'am, do you have any genetic engineering courses? No, genetic engineering we don't have. We have nanotechnology, which is close to genetic engineering, but not similar to that. Okay, can you transfer? Delaney has asked, can you transfer between universities from Dubai and India? Yes, you can transfer from Dubai to India to any of our India campuses. Okay.
Ma'am, good afternoon.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I was supposing to ask about the BA honors and ACCA degree. Ma'am, suppose if I join and branch of Amity in Maharashtra, there they don't have ACCA, there they have CA,
Yeah.
right? So is there an option available in those universities, like I can do BA honors or BCom with CA?
ACCA is a very typical certification which is available only here in
Yeah,
UAE and then
in London and all.
yeah, it's a UK certification. And
Yeah,
in India, you are right. In India, for the parallel certification for ACCA is chartered accountancy.
your chartered accountants, yes.
Yeah, chartered accountancy. So it's
So, ma'am,
CA.
my question is basically, if I join any universities, Amity University in Maharashtra, do they have any BCom with CA courses, like BCom as in college course and CA privately, something like that?
In India, the system is different. That
Okay.
you have to enroll in BCom and then you have to start preparation for CA.
CA. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what.
But in Dubai, we are giving ACCA training on the campus. So that is the
Okay.
arrangement. Yeah. Okay. Maha is asking, can we get a part-time job and study? Yes, you can do that. You have to be in touch with the Corporate Resource Center, and you can find something which you can do. Chelsea is asking, under BA of Film and Television, how long is the program duration and what does the Amity offer under the specific program? Now, a BA Film and Television Production is again a 3-year degree program, and the details of the course are given on the website. So please go to the website, which is Amity University. I'm just typing it down, Amity University. University.ae. That is our university.ae. That is our website name. And ma'am, what is the cost? Navya and is asking, ma'am, what is the cost for BCom with ACCA, and what is the duration of the course? If there is any scholarship, is it there for only first year? Good question, Navya. What is the cost for BCom plus ACCA? BCom is 40,000 dirhams and ACCA training is 7,500 dirhams per year. And scholarships, you can get any of the scholarships that I listed before. And the duration of the course is 3 years for BCom, and in 3 years, by the time you graduate from BCom, you can clear all the papers for ACCA also. Okay, now
Good afternoon, ma'am. Do you offer aviation management?
aviation management we don't have, we have aerospace engineering.
Ma'am, the scholarships that you offer, do they apply for the whole 4-year duration or just the first year?
Okay, now scholarships, there is a maintenance policy for the scholarships. Okay, so every year for merit scholarships, you have to maintain a CGPA of 9. That is how the scholarship will get continued. And for other scholarships, there is a maintenance policy of 7 CGPA. So you cannot have any failed papers and expect your scholarship to continue. Okay, so that is what is the scholarship structure here in Amity, maintenance policy. Okay, anything else? Okay, what other questions? Let me see, last questions. Do you have any discount on nationality basis? Only for Emiratis on a nationality basis, we have a 50% scholarship. Rest all are under the scholarship categories that I showed you. Now, Arena is asking, ma'am, does Amity University provide general nursing? And what will be the fees? No, nursing is a very specialized course, Arena, and it has to be attached to a hospital. So currently we don't offer any of the medical programs. Okay, now anything else? Offer courses in microbiology. Ramya is asking microbiology. Microbiology, no. Similar to that is nanotechnology. So you can join nanotechnology, which is also a very great program to do. What else? Any other question? I think I have finished all the questions. Ma'am, Joanna is asking, ma'am, do you provide accommodation in college and student visa? Exactly. We do have accommodation on the campus. I will leave the links. Just a minute. I will just put the links to. Okay. Now. Just a minute. I will just put the links for videos of the campus. Just a minute, one more I will put. So you can just click on these links and you can see our campus. You can just copy these links and see the campus videos and the hostel videos, and there you go. So you have these two YouTube links. Please do. Okay. Ma'am, is there any engineering course, Jerusha is asking, available for non-math students? Now, Jerusha, mathematics is mandatory for engineering courses. So, but if you have biology subjects and you don't have maths, you have biology plus physics and chemistry, I can give you nanotechnology. Nanotechnology and possibly solar and alternate energy, if you promise that you will not fail in the maths in the first year. Okay. So nanotechnology and solar and alternate energy is possible to get with biology specialization. Okay, Amity has a master's in machine learning. Will I get a firm based if I get BTech computers? Also, do you have any PhD courses in the same field? Now, Mohammed, yes, we do have bachelor's in computer science engineering. Then we have a PGD program in machine learning and artificial intelligence. And then we have a PhD in engineering. So we do have PhD in engineering. Shima is asking, is maths mandatory for business management? No, maths is not mandatory for business management. Okay, so I think I have exhausted my time, which your ma'am allowed me. If there, okay, Maha is saying, ma'am, do check your email. I will check my email, Maha, and I will reply to you. And Shima is saying, thank you so much. Saying thank you. I have got your email, Maha. I will read it and I will reply back. Maths is not mandatory business, Shima. So that is confirmed, and you can.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Eligibility criteria are mentioned on the website.